today's topic for discussion is forms of corolla. Corolla is the second oral of the flower, and there are lakhs of plants are present on the earth, and each plant is having a specific type of flower. And the corolla, second oral of flower, which has different shapes. The shape of the corolla plays a very important role in identification of plant. Some forms of corolla are described here. Next slide. These are the different forms of corolla. That is papilionaceous form of corolla, cephaloid corolla, saccate form of corolla, spurred form of corolla, coronate corolla, cruciform shape of corolla, caryophyllous corolla, rosaceous corolla, urceolate corolla. These are the different names of corolla. The types of gamopetales. The corolla consists of petals, and the petals may be united. If they are united, it is called as gamopetales. And gamopetales, on the basis of here we have seen that types of gamopetales and asymmetrical corolla. There are three types of corollas which are made on the basis of gamopetales nature. That means the petals are united in the corolla and the flower is asymmetrical. There are three forms. That is bilabiate form of corolla, ligulate form of corolla, and personate form of corolla. These three corollas are made on the basis of petals, position of the petal, and whether they are united or free. On that basis, these three forms of corolla have been made, and the flower is asymmetrical. Asymmetrical flower means it is a zygomorphic flower. And the types of gamopetales and symmetrical corollas are: number one, rotate corolla. Petals are united, and this corolla, rotate form of corolla, is also known as wheel shaped corolla, and it is an actinomorphic flower. The flower is actinomorphic, symmetrical or actinomorphic. Second type, tubular form of corolla. Third form, hypocratery form of corolla or salver form of corolla. And one more form of corolla is very common, that is bell shaped corolla. It is also known as campanulate corolla. One more form of corolla is funnel shaped. It resembles the funnel of chemistry laboratory. That corolla, funnel shaped corolla, it is also called as infundibly formed corolla. Okay. This is the cruciform form of corolla. Cruciform corolla. The corolla of Cruciferaceae family. Cruciferaceae family is also known as Brassicaceae. All the plants of this Brassicaceae family, they are aromatic, and the typical characteristics of this family is presence of cruciform corolla. Example is mustard, rye. Mustard means rye, and its botanical name is Brassica nigra. Even the rye and even the radish is also the member of Cruciferaceae family, radish. And in this form of corolla, the petals in the flower are arranged in the form of cross, that is the upper lip of the petal bent by making 90-degree angles with the basal portion of the petal. Generally, the flowers are actinomorphic. That means they can divide into two equal parts, and it consists of 4 petals which are arranged in cross form. The petals in this flower are 4 in number and bent at right angle to each other. Next form of corolla, it is a rotate form of corolla. The corolla resembles a wheel. Such wheel-shaped formed due to union of petals below into a tube-like structure, and upper part of the petal is free, which is placed at the right angle to the fused tube. Such form of corolla, it occurs in the plants of family Apocynaceae. For example, Sadabahar. Its botanical name is Sadabahar botanical name of Sadabahar is Catharanthus rosaceus. Okay. Another form of corolla, it is a very important. This corolla is a specific, a characteristic feature of family Papilionaceae. Hundreds of plants are present in Papilionaceae family, and herbs are present, shrubs are present, trees are present, but the Papilionaceous form of corolla is present in all the plants included in this family. In this case, in case of Papilionaceous form of corolla, petals show great variation in size as well as in shape. There is a very large petal which is bilobed, termed as slightly bilobed at the upper end, and it is described as standard petal. The two lateral petals enveloped by standard petal are termed as wings. There is a pair of wing petals which is enclosed by the standard petal, and the wings enclose a pair of smallest petals which are known as keel petals. These keel petals are also called as boat petals. The lower portion of the keel petals is fused so that it appears boat shaped. For example, here we have shown the photograph of corolla of the Clitoria ternata. Its common name of this plant is butterfly pea, and this is the member of Papilionaceae family. The name Papilionaceae family, another name of Papilionaceae family is Fabaceae. These are the views of the flower, just we have seen, and views of butterfly pea flower. Its botanical name is Clitoria ternata and family Papilionaceae or Fabaceae. This is also one more Papilionaceous form of corolla from the family Fabaceae or Papilionaceae. The genus is Crotalaria. The flower is of rattleweed. The common name of this plant is rattleweed, and this is the form of corolla. Its botanical name is Crotalaria medicaginea. Okay. This is also a Papilionaceous form of corolla. Next form of corolla, it is a funnel shaped corolla. The funnel-like corolla. The funnel-shaped corolla, it is also called as infundibly formed type of corolla. Infundibly formed corolla. This type of corolla occurs in family Solanaceae, and it occurs in the plant Datura species. This is the photograph of Datura enoxia. This is the flower of Datura, and its common name is Datura, and its botanical name is Datura enoxia. Okay. Next, this is a bilabiate form of corolla, and the meaning of bilabiate is two-leafed. Two leaves are there. This type of corolla does not divide in two equal parts, hence the corolla is zygomorphic. The flower which do not divide into two parts, such flower is also called as asymmetrical flower or zygomorphic flower. The bilabiate form of corolla is zygomorphic. The reason to call it as a bilabiate form of corolla is that it consists of two leaves. The upper lip is bilobed and the lower lip is trilobed. That means there are 5 petals, but they appear 3 are joined and 2 are joined which are situated at upper side, and 3 are situated at the lower side. The upper lip, so it is called upper lip, it is bilobed, and the lower lip it is trilobed. This is the feature of Acanthaceae family, and this occurs in Peristophe paniculata. This is the botanical name of this plant. And next slide. This is one more example of bilabiate form of corolla, and the example is the botanical name of the plant is Ocimum Taniflorum, and common name of plant is Holibasi. This is the form of bilobate form of corolla. Next, tubular form of corolla. Tubular form, tube-like corolla, it occurs in family Asparagaceae, and it's called the corolla. We have shown that it is a tuberose. It is a very common plant. It is an ornamental plant, and the flowers are grown. The plant is grown as a commercial crop by farmers, and its botanical name is Polyanthus tuberose. Next slide. This is also one more example. This is tubular form of corolla. A tube-shaped corolla. The family is Verbenaceae, genus Holmoscoidea sanguinea. The common name of this flower is cup and saucer plant. This flower I got from Aurangabad only. Next, peltate form of corolla. This corolla is like a disc or peltate form of corolla, and the plant which is showing the peltate form of corolla, its botanical name is Evolvulus alsinoides, and its common name is dwarf morning glory. The family of this plant is Convolvulaceae. One thing I have to discuss here, that no book is there in which peltate form of corolla is described. Okay. Next, this is pentalabiate tubular form of corolla. It is a bilobate corolla, but there are 5 distinct lobes are there. Hence, it is a pentalabiate tubular form of corolla. This is from family Myrtaceae, and the common name of this plant which showing pentalabiate tubular corolla is tiger's claw, and the genus is Martinia annua. Okay. Next slide. This is sepaloid form of corolla. Sepaloid means sepal-like. What is sepal? Sepal is the unit of calyx. The corolla which resemble the sepals of the calyx. Okay, sepal-like. It is a green color. Most of the plants is having green calyx, and that means the sepals are green in color. Therefore, the corolla lobes, that is the petals, are green in color. Therefore, this is described as sepaloid petals. Therefore, sepaloid, the corolla of the green colored petals is termed as sepaloid form of corolla. And this is the flower of family Annonaceae, and this is the flower of genus Annona squamosa. We know the sitafal. This is the flower of sitafal. Okay. Next slide. This is ligulate form of corolla. Ligule-like. The shape is ligule-like. This is the reason only. And the ligulate form of corolla is the characteristic feature of Asteraceae family. Family Asteraceae, this is the largest family in which lakhs of plants are there, thousands of plants are included in this family. All are having the ligulate form of corolla. This is the corolla of name of the plant is Gerberia jamesoni, and the common name of this plant is Barberton deci. Okay. Next slide. Thank you very much. Save flora, save biodiversity. Thank you.